Welcome to the new episode of Health Basket. Phobia is nothing but a fear for something. Nowadays, everyone is having a phobia about, am I going to get COVID infection? Am I going to be quarantined? So how do we overcome this phobia? The first thing we need to understand, why are we getting this phobia? The phobia is extreme form of anxiety, or in another way, simple way, it's an extreme worries which affects your normal functioning level. So how are we going to overcome this? When do we get anxious? When we learn about something in more way, like if we get lots of information about that particular things, we will get upset. So first thing to avoid this COVID phobia is to limit your knowledge about this COVID, because it's a tendency to watch TV the whole day. We want to look at our mobile to get the recent update. So that makes us to be more anxious. The first thing, just stop watching TV all the time. Stop searching the reason from your mobile. So limit the knowledge, then you will be fine. But if you want to know the update, you can look at only the headlines just every day for some time. Then that is enough. So the first thing, you need to limit the knowledge, then you will be fine. The second thing, you need to focus on the positive things. Positive means, for example, even though this COVID-19 is a pandemic, like that means it has been spread all over the world, but still when you look at the statistics, it shows that 98% of the patients are recovering. What does it mean? Most of us are going to get better. So that's what we need to focus on, the positive. The second thing is, you need to avoid the negative things. For example, if someone is always sending the negative messages about COVID, oh, how many people died, people are not doing anything, we are not doing like other states or other countries. So these kind of the blaming messages, is it going to help you in any way? No. Whenever you see these negative messages, you're going to be anxious, you're going to feel sad. So better to avoid watching these kind of the messages, and also please do not forward these kind of the negative messages. If someone is talking about all this negative, better to stay away from them. You can talk about the other things rather than the COVID. Obviously, you can ignore your negative thoughts about this COVID anxiety. Definitely, you can overcome this phobia. Thank you.
Health tips for healthy life. For more such health tips from our senior doctors, subscribe to Health Basket YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Stay connected to us through our social platform. Protect yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic by building your immune system. Let us join hands to make the world healthy.